Good morning, good morning. We are at the second Rafa meeting place, which is McDonald's. And today we're going to be doing a little bit of a different ride. It is going to be an off-road-ish, not like mega off-road, but just like some kind of like, just a little exploration of the trails and stuff around Manchester. And it's meant to be like for taking a couple of pictures, so it'll be nice, that's why I've got my camera. But on the way here, I started trying to film and I have no SD card in my camera, so I was like, this ride's all about taking pictures and video, and I then had to rush to Darius's. So glad that Darius lives in the city centre, and he's got an SD card that he's loaned me, so hopefully it should all be well. And then also, I'm trying out a different bike. Let me just start off by saying this is not my bike, it is on loan from Canyon, so have a little look at it. So this is the Grail carbon superlight bike. It is SRAM 1x, so I am getting used to using SRAM because I am a Shimano girl, that's all I've ever used, so that's taken a little bit of getting used to. And yeah, I think this is the men's actually, it's a size small, but yeah, it feels really good so far, so I'm excited to take it like off the road. So I guess this video is going to be what it's all about, and just a little ride off the main roads and stuff of Manchester.
The idea behind these rides is just doing something different. Not about smashing it, not about going full pelt, it's about having some fun, having some laughs, and going somewhere a bit different, a bit unexplored.
Yeah, look at this seated. So we're now just at Dunham Massey, and we're actually just talking about weeing ourselves, or like potentially weeing ourselves because we're all busting for the toilet, which is a nice cycling chat. 50 miles? 50 miles to go, or to do? 50 miles to go. So yeah, the weather's nice, it's warmed up a little bit, but I am covered in mud. Look, our feet are... Look at that. Bloody hell, these straps. I mean, look at that. Oh yeah. I'll not show you the bike yet. I will save you the joy of a muddy bike, of a new bike, when we get back to Rafa. Greetings! We are back from the ride now. We are all completely covered in mud. But it was so much fun just to try something different. So I actually found I just felt so much more confident on it, obviously because it's got way thicker tyres. But like the vibrations didn't feel as hard. It just felt really nice. Obviously I'm going to do a bit of a better in-depth review later on. But like first impressions of it are just really good for that. Even like on the road, it felt really comfortable. So let's go in, get a brew. In fact, let me show you the mud. Oh, I feel sad that it's so dirty. Ooh. You like it? Yeah. You like it? Yeah. Yeah.
How do you use this?
Oh, just there, like normal. Just hold it as normal. So this is the muddy bike. I'll have to wash it as soon as I get home. Look at all that. But that's what it's used for, that's what it's for. It's meant to get rid of it, it's meant to get dirty. And one thing I cannot stand is a dirty bike, so I'm going to have to just clean it. I literally just got back and I'm going to give it a good old clean, make it nice and shiny and pretty new again, so yeah. Thought I would share my bike washing technique because I was told in my last one don't ever flip it upside down, so I never flip my bike really upside down now. Sometimes I flip it over while I clean the wheels, but I don't really put water on it until it's the right way up, so that's what I'm going to do. And before I start, I just wanted to share a product that I really like. It is not sponsored. Sleek did send me these to try, but I really like them. They are eco-friendly, vegan, and yeah, I just really like them. One's blueberry scented and one's strawberry, so that is good for a vegan like me, so I'm just gonna get washing. Also, this like muck off brush is so good for getting into like your like chain and cassette and stuff. It's like rubber on the ends. Yeah, it's not sponsored obviously by Muck Off or Sleek. These are just two products that I do really like, so yeah, I like it. That is one cleaner bike.